This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus versus the LG G6. Now the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, this is a budget device. This is the 3GB of RAM model. I got this one for under 200 USD. And the LG G6 is a flagship phone. This is LG's flagship at the time when this was released. But I don't know, I'm just kind of curious to see how this matchup will play out. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background. So let's get started with the messaging app. Camera. There you go. Calculator. Okay, about the same. Clock. Very similar. Play Store. Click on this one. Leave it there. eBay on both. Okay. Click on this one. Leave it right there. Amazon Shopping. Here we go. Very similar thus far. Not too bad. Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus keeping up here. Go ahead and just close that out. Acrobat Reader. Okay, not too far behind. The Redmi 5 Plus. Hanging well so far. Speed test app. And which one here is gonna, okay, the LG G6, a little bit ahead. Go on the settings, make sure we're on the same server, and we are, start out with a G6. Faster download speeds on the right. Mario Run. Both are loading, and which one will process this game faster? And the LG G6, a little bit ahead. Angry Birds 2. Starting up logging in on the G6. And the G6 is out in front here. Will the 5 Plus catch up? No, it does not. Close it out. Subway Surf. Loading on both. And I think the G6 is out in front. Yes, it is. Tap to play on this one. Leave it there. Do the same thing on the Redmi 5 Plus. Temple Run 2. Loading on the G6. And the G6 here. Way out in front. Tap to play on it and leave it right there. Do the same thing on the left. There you go. Twitter on both phones. G6. And Snapchat. G6 again. Let's take a look at the multitasking on both devices. Everything's in the background as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on Twitter. There we go. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Also ready to resume. Angry Birds 2. Ready to go on the G6, and a reload here on the left. Mario Run. Ready to go here on the G6, and another reload here on the 5 Plus. Speed test app. Ready to go here on the right, and again another reload on the 5 Plus. Adobe Acrobat Reader. There we go, a little bit of a delay on the left. Amazon Shopping. Ready to go here on the G6. And a reload here on the left. eBay on both phones. There you go, ready to go on both. A little bit of a delay here on the 5 Plus though. Play Store. Still in RAM on both. The clock on both. There you go. calculator, ready to go on both, the camera. There you have it, not too much of a delay on either phone, and the messaging app. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this unique matchup. Are you an LG fanboy? Do you like LG phones? Now, I think LG comes out with pretty good phones. It's unfortunate that they're a little bit underrated in my opinion. Or are you a fan of Xiaomi phones? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.